At Blue Osa, we are very aware of the environment. The amount of power that we use here is equivalent to a family of 4 in the United States. Our power consumption basically serves 30 to 50 people every single day is very low. We take a lot of efforts to use power intelligently. Our beautiful pool, the filtration system is solar run. We have over 90 solar panels that feed into our battery banks. We also have a gravity-fed water system so that power doesn't need to be used in order to move water throughout our system. And I believe very strongly that when we're eco-friendly, that we are starting to harmonize ourselves with the land and trying to connect with the way that the earth speaks to us. This kind of practice of being eco-friendly and being yogic is necessary and required, and also works really, really well together.